As a rough dance, my head's going down. That's marathon kista. Guys, le jwang na kiteng. Zanduri, aridlale the games, ke running game. So ke khopela support ya runa. And ke tshwere ke tlala. What is this now? I've been quiet the whole time. Ke tshwere ke tlala today I didn't eat anything. But Pani, thank you for popular. Thank you so much. Guys, bang tsukile bathi ngiphethe kanti luphethe anani khulumeni. Khani mangibaleke nje with all due respect ngavezi kakhulu izithu. Is it bad? Luphethe kakhulu. Too much. When tola a free life program. No, it's not that bad. But no pete. And mina ngosama anginalo pete nginamabatha. Like inyawo zami zime kanje. Noma phela manje sethuba ngathi ngiyazenzisa. But mangime nje normal day ngima kanje. Inyawo zami zithe. And it's not help lento abayenzayo. Ngwazi lo mhlola abawenzayo mina. Thank you, Mkulu. Jengo chuchu. I'll set you, Luga. Got that. And I'm began to for it. Man, get this swim sound.
It's raining here, yo. So my ring light decided to break.
Look.
My ring light broke, bro.
Yesterday I
was
book.
Mina kuphuka light. Kuphume this thing on the lights.
Beka kuqale nami ngophuka lokho. Mayiwa phansi kwaphinde kwaphuka this thing. Your phone hold. But that one you can fix it with it.
I'll try. Angisho manje siyadlala. Yo, izulu liyana mfethu. Kuba right bangigijima la ephashisini. Kuba right bangigijima la ukuyale. Yabona linezana izulu ngaphandle.
Uzophuma phandle uphinde ubuye.
Phandle ungijwayela kabi.
Phela abantu bakumele bekuwinisa uma ukuthi abafuni ukuthi uphume phandle.
Uyawa futhi.
Ingoma.
Fortunate hello. Wait.
Ukuphi wezani laba abantu bebuza ukuthi kuphi lapho kunetha khona izolo.
Ngise Pretoria. I'm at home at Pretoria. I'm not at my place. Ose Pretoria ma comment lapho. Ngise Pretoria izulu liyana.
Nala mara liyeza bheka icloud phezulu. Hawe Jehova lapho lumka ngibuyela emsebenzini mina ngixakile. Ingoma. It's 1000 or it's what?
Or nginikhombisa izulu ukuthi liyana. Should I show you? Niyalibona?
Yabonakala.
Guys, we use the first gift. Ziyakhala. Yabo, guys, we use triples. First gift is ×3. We use triples wisely. Thank you. Let's go.
Guys, if first gift is ×3. Can you please all tap this? Guys, first gift is ×3.
ingoma.
Ingoma, ingoma, masibuya lenkosini. Siyabuyela. Guys, ngoba ningathepha iscreen sengixelele into yokuthi nithunywe emphefumulweni wami nizongiphula umoya. Thank you so much.
Guys, we need 3 people to activate the speed. 3.
Guys, can I please have 3 roses? Thank you.
1 more
2 more
rose.
roses, guys.
2.
1 rose per
more.
person. 2 roses, guys. Hey,
Let's go.
Guys, 2 roses. Guys, 1 more rose. Thank you, Mandelisa Samusa.
Uzogijima, guys. Alright, the setup yaki right. So now maybe we don't even need to run. We are stressed about indoors and outdoors here.
Guys, it's
Go
time
to my.
Don't turn above on the speed, guys. Please, don't turn above. Manelisa, don't turn above.
Let's go, Maria.
Guys, I can't run in Kogijini. Kuqala izulu kunetha ngiqoka ibo phethwa amehlo kuningi, so guys angeke nize ningivumele ukuthi ngidliwe. Guys, you still have 25 seconds. Samke nkosami ungami umusenda uzoshawa isikhathi.
Yeah,
ngikhuluma ne comment section.
sesithi ingoma.
Ingoma.
Siyamshaya, guys, siyamshaya. We are leading currently. And you phela so. Why is it this cat ukulona? I wanted to ask you why is it this cat? Yeah, emqothuka ngumaka gush. Why did you take time to log in?
Bengisaphuma emsebenzini. Thank you.
Oh.
Thank you.
Hayi leza nalapha khona.
Sibongiseni uhamba uye ku Chrome, you go and recharge ama coins nesithando sami. Ufela lapha ku Chrome uthi TikTok coins buy or whatever. Ungene khona bazofuna ama login details, you just only put ama login details at TikTok. If you run a account or if you call some login details, you can create a new account in your account. Then you come here. Ingoma. Hayi cha shothi namhlanje ngithunywe imali funa ukuthepha iscreen.
Rory, you know what to do. Let's see. Rory. Thing has donuts, not big. Let's see.
Guys, on the next game, abana neklavu ngaliya. Corrupt kosam kubu sniper ngento enkulu. Bese sothi bhumbuka ama rose akubambezele sithandwa sami. Corrupt sithandwa sami.
Gijima. Okay.
1000.
Wait. 1000. Hayi boy 500.
Fact say 1000 ngifika mangibuza lapho uzabantu bakhuthi ngitheni.
500.
Bengazi on this game shoot we are both.
Manje, what's the score? What's the score?
Mara asifika ngasobabili ku 1000 mos. Buza abantu bakhuthi angibuza ngale nto ka-1000.
Muna, it's 500. Makune smoke cake kuba 1000. No, don't.
Awukazi mention mara leyo. Sidlala igame kule game elandelayo ke sesiyazi sobabili.
Ushuta abantu bamamasha amakhaya manje la.
Abamosha abana ushonga mosi. Hayi kuba ubatshelile abantu bakuthi 500 nami ngitshela. I said 1,000, then what food?
Guys, I apologize. I don't know what happened.
Guys, thank you so much. Tabang supporting. Ngicela uma kuqala ispeed. We're corrupt. So corrupt. Ningafaka ama roses speeding, guys. On the first speed is faka 100 coins and above. So let's fast. Samge bakithi isigqoko noma idonut noma ini. Ucorrupt ukuphi? Corrupt waza mama.
Thank you, Maria. I'm sad now. I'm very disappointed. Thank you so much, guys. Mama Pushi, let's do first to 5, yeah.
And the weather shit to
You go back and garage.
Ngiyakuzwa.
Ngithi senze first to 5 manje ke.
All right.
We can't do first to 10 ngama 1K. Okay, no, it's still 500, but it's first to 5. I'm disappointed. I'm a lower 10 la.
Guys, can I please have 2 roses?
As you said, 500, but first to 5. I'm suffering from
2 more roses, guys. 2 more roses, guys.
1 more, guys.
1 more. Lord, ima kosa ama rose. Ungadlali mangaka unlock speed. Guys, ngisacela umuntu ongakangisendele rose.
1 more rose.
Thank you, Zanele. Guys, let's speed less, guys. I can't run. Ngisafuna ukudla. Ngisacela shop ukuthi ngiyawina. On this speed, ngisacela lo nto unganyamalali sir. And please don't use ama roses. Use something else. Jonathan above. If singa drop my heads, maybe 4. So bese simdlulile, guys. Umuntu nje nomuntu intokozo sena samhlezi ukhona la ngiyakwazi ungilahla. Sacela ungiphe nje noma yini because amsiyaqala manje speed. Ispeed isiqalile, guys. Ispeed isiqalile.
Njalo.
Guys, on the speed is so phela singafanga next.
As in. Guys, izulu liyaduma elimbi ngapha omunye uyangabhuza la.
Guys, nathula kanga ayikho umuntu othula njengolonti kusiyami.
It's for 00 600 coins hour noma sekuthiwa awu. No. Hi.
Corrupt, thank you. Awufake sekuphela ispeed mara corrupt. Aniyiphathe kahle, guys. Aniyiphethe kahle.
So guys, imithetho changile ne? It's first to 5, but the score, any score, as long as we win more than 500. But now it's first to 5. Sandile, hello baba. Ngiyabona iqalile lezulu selimoshi Wi-Fi. I'm not okay, baba, but I'll be fine.
Ningabo sniper kosam. Ando, can you please snipe this?
Right, but I'm right.
Ngicela ni sniper. Corrupt, awazi ukusniper
So guys, we
speed
lapho
lapho
0 for some reason, apparently. Rory, you know what to do, my love. Eish, angazi wayengashaya edlavini yazi. kuthiwa lo mngani wakho lo sibine nga-600 basho yena ngeke agijima ngoba sikafika 1000. Ngicela ubeka amathambo ugijime sesi. Ngiyacela until second speed. So nangu 1000 wakho ke noma ngathi
until second speed kanjani maqala speed uyayeka ukugijima.
Angisho siqale match manje uyagijima until yoloku ugijima back and forth until ufike second speed.
Okay. Thank you wonke angisupporting.
I told you this. I told you everything. Angazi namhla wenzenjani somehow.
Namang. Suppose it like ama games. Unamang. Suqamba ma.
Gijima ubeka amathambo fuck off. Awa gijima awa. Guys, I won't play with my akushi anymore. Do you call that running?
Awu cha ngeke ke manje yabona ke. Umuntu yazama nale ring light mama kaka.
Iyegate nelimhlophe ujike duzane. Iyegate
wena usawuzojika awenzi into efe. Usawuzojika lapha eminyango ngithi. Usawuzojika eminyango ungangenzi into masengilide ongekuzibona. How?
Ayingafiki second speed gijima wenza. Second speed, total second speed. Guys, the score is 1-0. Ne? Apparently, the game yokuqala ibalwa because Temba, hello. Guys, I need 3 people to say.
Hi, mommy.
Okay. No problem. Cool. We have too many gloves. Did you receive gloves now on this previous match?
I see.
Let's wait for her to activate. Okay, thank you.
Kade ngithenga iPetros. Guys, it's a time 2, guys.
Hi,
Bas bangigijimisa bongikhathenga. Cause I'm on a time 2, guys, they're not on above. On a time 2,
let's wait on the glove. They throw a glove now at 8. Wait, Maria. They're throwing a glove at 8.
Guys, they're not on above.
Yes, Rory, drop. Okay, let's play, guys. Thank you, Maria. Thank you, Rory. Thank you.
Corrupt drop woman because drop nje ungasosha isikhathi. Let's make sure ukuthi siyasleep. Corrupt any hand heart ngaphela speed sana sami second.
Ash, welcome.
Guys, can you please all tap the screen, guy?
Rory, last 30 seconds.
Guys, can you please all tap the screen?
Boshine, thank you so much for tapping.
Guys, can you please all tap the screen, Claire?
Yeah, let's try not to send Ama roses on the class.
Please all tap the screen. Right, Mamdulu, because I'm Mamdulu. How come you say pale? But they clap, but I'm so troubled the last 30 seconds.
Guys, thank you. As I forgot to say thank you, Aishem, as guys Nyabong. Like, you guys are doing the most. But I'm calm now. Never annoy a friendly person.
Hello, Mamdulu.
Yeah, I'm fine. Sing right.
Guys, let's play. So welcome, Sando Sam. Batropic ngalia guys, ngapha sikafika na 500 mara guys.
Okay, guys, we lost this one. 1-1. Mara shemi ngijimele tuzene. Sorry shema kush. Oh, ngafika 500. Oh. Ngisho ngahamba.
Unedlavu nemamzulu. Thuli
Ngafika 500.
Wonke umuntu ongisaphothe.
Ngafika 500. Thank you Maria. Ngisho ngagijima.
Sabe kudla endlini.
Ngisho ngagijima. Ampur. Manje guys, yabona lese seyangicaka ke lesiyenza manje la. Ukube besibala yonke into. Ngabe manje is 2-0. Ngabe is 2-1. So loku sidlala ama game angapheli must it's raining you guys. I forget I said anything. Yes. Yes, queens. At least it's first to 5. It's for this rules here now. At least it's first to 5. So the score is 1-0. Still 1-0, ne? The score is still 1-0. Guys, help me. Because Lenduli Lasibali apparently akakho 500. At least it's first to 5. First to 10, I was not gonna do it. Four more games, guys. We're out of here. Hello. Uthanda ubuyile or TikTok idlala ngam?
Guys, can I please have 3 roses? Mara guys, mangingekho sho ukuthi akudlalwa la ekhaya. Kungimanje nisephanga nonke screenshot makho ube ngekho ninandlali.
Fortunate, thank you. 1 more rose, guys. Dambili, thank you.
2 more roses, guys, please. Once I connect, guys, 2 roses, please. Don't you look at shooting your kitchen?
Today is dangerous. Today angeke kan. Ntuchuko unyangisile umakagushi dlala 5 first to 5, not first to 10. Namaye abantu bethu they played. Ufike u400 ngafika 300 mara ayibalo ngoba sikafika u500, so it's okay. Asinamona. But we're doing first to 5. No more first to 10. No. Ngoba itrain abantu bethu so leya kahle ngiyayibala ke ngoba senze first to 5. Lezi angazibali mina ngiyazibala ngoba senze first to 5 manje. Like my people are like they are working hard. We can't say asiba na. So that's why I'm saying first to 5. I'm thinking of these people who are here for me. They've been here the whole day. So Kabanga a whole 300 balwa. That's 300, 400. So first to 5 is easy. Thank you, team. Guys, TikTok idlala ngami i-challenge ukhona mara akekho.
Yeah, I think now I'm fine and I'm ready to play.
Guys, if we win this, sibana ngak 2-1. Ikade lisaba izulu shem. Sorry nana. Quality over quantity. Tiki. Quality over quantity. You can have 1,000 people, but bayokbuka so angeke baze bathepe nokuthepa. Even now, like 11 by 24, mara abantu aba active they are less than 10. It's the same thing. There's 8 active people here, but there's 24 people.
Some welcome babe, but then ukhumbulile kunini bengigijimisa. This is a 1,000 running game. Ngiyathemba ukuthi uzonku.
500.
Ishangazi 1,000 nguthatha mina Joe. Bed futhi liyaphela.
Oh, yeah. 2-1, ne? Team! My baddest team! Who the hell? Thank you. Maria, you got a posting club.
Thank you, Tony. Thank you.
Thank you so much, guys. Thank you, guys.
I won't instruct you what to do. No, speed. Once go on speed, you drop as much as you can, guys. I'm not saying anything. I'm not allowed. We're all tapping the screen.
No problem, Maria. Thank you so much. I appreciate you. Izanda's really kind, sis. God bless you. Thank you so much. Thank you. Oh, yeah. Rory, Maria. Thank you. Pumbelela mngani wami. Zopumbelelo ayizwa ngami. Lentonge yethu sinikiwe. So buya kusasa ngamanye. Guys, ilo adlali bathi nithi bayifuna ukudlala. Satellite i-distract wayizo. Pumbelela mngani wami. Zopumbelelo ayizwa ngami. Lentonge yethu sinikiwe. So buya kusasa ngamanye amandla. Yes, why ngithanda zonke abantwana bakho. Ehlisa umoya wami. Dillian, thank you so much. I don't have the energy anymore, Tiki. We had a lot of arguments already, so it's fine like this. One more person, guys, please. Thank you, Dillian. Thank you, Rory. One more person with the rose. Fortunate, are you still here? Okay, Rory, last 30 of the match. Fortunate. You are very late.
Mara shemtuma kude na unesicef and ngizoblock ngoba ubusisanga ngithi kublock. Samuntu phaphaya.
But thank you.
When you are gifted ngoba ubuza abantu ba gifted. Look.
Oh, okay.
Uyathini? Thank you too. Guys, but if you are activating speed.
Sneh, hello.
Mara maziko to nomakhuzwa ibeni kuphi ma activate speed mara. ngoba ngabe
Yes,
siyadlala manje
last 30,
speed.
last 30 of the match.
Bongoba
Not now.
siba-3 nje bekuzodlaleka kalula guys. Guys, can you please ama-hand heart and above guys to snipe this? I can't run again. I'm tired.
Thank you for reposting, Bongani.
We-Ali awongene ngale awusesekhona. Uyabona mama.
Ngizwa imithandazo yabantwana bakho ehlishomwe ngakho.
Thank you, Mazigod. It's a 1,000 Mazigod. Masako 200. Useless. Abantu abafuna
So 500 kan. So 1,000 foot.
It's a 500. Hayi 1,000 shiso second abami ngazi.
Angisho ngiyakutshela, like I've been telling you.
Guys, they have a glove ngale yanko samazigode.
Nabantu bakhe bafika unaku 300 mara lokho ufuna 1,000 uyangimangaza nawe sometimes.
Shuthi uyababhora phela abantu babahlazi befika 1,000.
Awamabadlala kufuna mina ukuthi bayabhorekile. Ale kufuna mina shem.
Nasizothi bazokwenzani ngoba afika
Luyana.
Mazigode sabe some thank you so much.
356 ayibalwa. Ayi shem ziyabuya namhlanje.
Thuli, thank you Makuzwayo asimokele sabukele.
Yeah, the score is still 2-1.
Thank you so much guys.
Johan, I hope ngeze umuntu oyolahlela amamani gun on 3 games. Then we finish with
Thando lwethu sendo sami on the first time stream Mazigode mawukhona. If singafaki hand heart on the first time stream at least siya ku 300. Then sesingapusha with tabs. Ish Mazigode icela ungidrophele ngoba usacomment nje ngabe udrophile baby. Is something ngosamezo sithi khwiphi isinaku 30 seconds. Then you can go live.
Skoko, hello.
Marajiso. Awesome.
Thank you guys.
Nkule welcome baby.
Yazi ngabe sesiku 5 manje ngabo iscore sethu siyabalwa. Ngabe sicedile ukudlala.
Guys, again if kuyi speed especially soqala akwazi uvela ufake 1 coin if uyazi ukuthi usesena makhona amaningi ufake rose kubalwa only one first gift. You must make sure ukuthi ufake gift enkulu then you can wait for let's speed lesilandela like so you drop as much as you can.
Oh, Baba. Snare, thank you so much for tapping.
Imani kancane Thando. Guys, can I please have 3 roses, 1 rose per person, 1 rose ngiyacacisa 1 rose per person. Khona uzovela washaka mase ngespeed athule.
That's why I bastrafa thina mos and kuye bayathepha ngabe ngiyasho. Funeka 3 yabantu nje ngoba baningi mara babukela makagusha so abenzi next.
Thando Thuli maphi bese uma usudelela abantu bami they will go hard.
Mara that's why kufuneka abantu abayi3 baningi abantu bakho mara benzi next kuye benza something mabathephe. Ebona into le yastrafa maye kufuneka 3 people to activate the speed because baningi abantu kuwe.
3 is too much.
1 more guys, yeah?
3 is too much.
Yes. But I mean, I'm celebrate le TikTok. I have 28k followers. You have more than 200,000 followers. I'm celebrate ku TikTok me.
Ungaphinde udlale nami uyiphathi kahle. It's times 2, guys.
One more rose, guys.
Times 2, yeah. Oh, so I know kangani.
Ngapu business nama 1K. Ngabe maye suku 5 for sure. Hayi.
Bala. Guys, times 2, guys, it's a times 2 because that's what you
on a times 2
donuts and above.
Times 2 bangihlekisela lo kuphela.
Wena uthatha kancane yazi. Manje kodwa bathi coke nyana. Andile niphi ithuli nkule. Guys, thank you nkule. Guys, let's go to 500.
Is my imitsanda. You're supposed to
ungapheli speed singafiki ngale abaneglove. They have a glove that side, guys. Thina asina glove.
Let's use it.
Guys, omunye no 100 coins. Mazikota, thank you, guys. Let's push, guys, just in case my was a snap on the last 30 seconds. I think it's my snap on the last 30 seconds.
Yes. Level 15. W level up right there.
Thank you, Sandra Samazong Totos.
Na. Ishiriro. Leo Kalani Nikala.
Guys,
I'm sorry for that. My feet are tired. I've been playing that game since 1 o'clock. That match is since 1 o'clock. My feet are tired. Yo.
Surprise, welcome, Sandra Sams. Welcome. What a man, Juju, mean.
Let's try. Leo Kalani ni Itilo. But guys, you've been playing for me the whole day. I understand. Thank you. And we won all the games. I'm a first to 10.
Thank you, Nkule. Thank you, guys. You guys have gloves. You must know that. We are learners. No matter what.
Thank you so much.
Thank you. Yes, so thank you so much. And thank you so much, guys.
Madam Nangset Duzene.
So go to run fast again. You must be fast. Guys, can you please all tap the screen? Can you please, guys, and phone first gift is times 3, guys. First gift is times 3.
First gift triples. Let's reach 500.
Hey, we are one of them.
Oh, come on, kitchen. Oh, what's that, Marcus? But come on, kitchen. Oh.
Masi got as fagi rose speeding. Yabona mathi usufuna ukufakela yona manje ngikisa times ngokusuqala ngerose. Twa first gift, igift yokuqala kuphela etimes ekayo. You must make sure ukuthi drop something big if ku first gift. Then kulesi silandela ispeed lesi unlockwayo. You drop noma ngabe yini beside irose. And irose noma ngabe kuphi noma ngabe ungala kuzathi irose ungabolifaka speeding. Guys, can you please all tap the screen here?
Even listen step healing actually abantu bangamakabush.
Ayi angeke ngathi ngizobuye ngene late. Abantu abafuna ukudlala manje abathe ngane screen. Uzobona late. Guys, can I please have 2 roses?
Okay. Rory, thank you. One more person, guys. With the rose.
Guys, I'm a rose out too, please. Thank you, Toby. One more rose, guys. Probably you only send one, then you play the speed. Guys, one rose. Thank you, too.
Rory, drop it love now.
The times two.
Drop it love now and speed, please.
Guys, it's a times two. Okay. This is our last game. Abantu bamshana bafuna ukudlala. And I kuzoba
Guys,
force.
donuts, finger hearts, donuts, finger hearts.
Uthuli
Donuts,
kade
finger
qaqaqana le ndaba ukuthi ningafaki ilo espeedini. Nathi iRose ngilibona ligijima nathi espeedini iRose lizobloka ispeed. Speed ngeke sisasebenza ngenxa yezilosi.
Thank you, Mastende. I got hit, but thank you so much. Aye, guys, that's not smoke, Shem. Mara, seen smoke and lectin. You guys have been playing for me since 1 until now. We didn't lose Ambassador's weight today. Lay and thing license. Guys, we are ranking on B2. We are ranking on our league. Terence la khona uzikhiphile ulebe umnandi mari TikTok itu la ku number 1. There's no way that Terence can sit here and watch me. There's no way. Not in my lifetime. Isambek number 1 nje ithe do TikTok. Mama Kush, is this working?
I'm leaving you. Let me go.
Let's take a break.
Yeah.
Mastende, thank you. Guys, thank you so much for being here with me the whole day.
Ozama kukhulwa bazoyindize lo zami ngeke sende nani flying jet.
Uzama boy. Which Zama? Uzama boy. Guys, let's rest. No, I feel like I'm pressuring you guys now. This is too much for you. Nope. This is too much for you. Start a break. I'll come back around 8. Now I'm going to cook or do something. Magakushi. That's why it's crucial to play these things in the morning. Not in the afternoon. Later, Rory. Ikude yo nkosi yami baba wafika sengidliwe kabuhlungu so.
Ikhanda Jehova linjani mina ngabe ngiyodayi ikhanda. Hey ngiyalenza mase ngekhaya mina Jesu. Ukani inwele zenze njani? Ngathi ndiyahlanya. Sawubona moyo ngcwele guys. Sengivele ngabona ukubona inhliziyo yashaya amawololo ngavele ngathi ngiyo le ngizoyisho la it's angeke kumele ngiyothwala ekhanda ngeke khehla and le khabari le red naleli red kuqulu wami lapho nje ngivela buke salon ngiyoluka ukube ngiyayiba isikhathi manje ngifonela uPeter because le ngihlalele la into engekho yo le phone isa restart Jesus kwavele kwathi ngiyobabona ekhaya ngifike ngidaya akuduri nokudaya angazi nesalon bacabanga le lodaya wakhona uphuma nani athi ngiyahlanyaka manje yo kumele ngothenga ne-extension and mangiye ekhaya ngifuna ukufaka iWi-Fi kunkulu wami ngisantshengisanga nokuntshengisa so guys ngilokhu nje amanamba ka-supply ngithenga amanamba ka-supply because I wanted ukudayisa so bengiyobona ama-product goods and products ngiyile laphayana kusiyami kade ngidonseke because I feel ukuthi khona la ngidonseke khona kulaba abantu bakwaNongoma cha uPeter kosami nokunganaki ifone kumanje buka kabamba ifone ngiyonilandela something else bakhona abantu bakwaNongoma lapha mamnguni yebo orozo bekaNongoma this festive you guys cornering there you guys staying manje I'm not using ilokho nje let me start talking about ama lenses oh brown skin girl your skin is just black I never thought in a way I never done your manzi and it's kumbesihle ungefaniswe nalutho so guys mangi ekhaya I'll come with ama lenses laba bahlezi bafuna for now if wafunela uphepha because the pose yami angeke sayiphepha we have this is amethyst yeah it's amethyst we have amethyst it's kind of like purple or something kind of like pink and purple angwathatha ngonke ama colors we have green is so nice trust me ngeke ngawufaka looks so nice we have green we have uhani there is brown but uhani nguthandela ukuthi uyaqaba emehlweni ubrown cha uthi khofathi shemse kuyisidlala ngisachaza indaba ye-product uhani ubrown kahle kahle umuntu ufuna ubrown uthona uhani because ubrown too natural kubonakala nokuthi wafakile ama lenses because I'm not playing manje I'm explaining my business something that is going to give me money bakithi. Then we have gray ilo enguthandayo because it's dark just phela lapha efonini akubonakali nakahle lezi zinto but gray dark la emaceleni bese kuba gray bese kuba black weso lakho so it's kamjaka we have blue. Abantu abaningi bathanda blue cake. We also have blue. So if usemakhaya, you better say hello ku inbox usasay manje. Ngiyangizwa ukuthi ngithini. Let me end this life ngihambe ngesalon ngiyoluka cause ngisho ngiyibuka mina la sengathi ngubig Zulu ongenathezi ayikhonali. Ithini ngihambe ngesalon and do things. Kathi uzofica kusavulwe inkosami. Papa yini lokukhuluma nani? Ngobe nginikhombise amateki nama tracksuit nakho konke. Noma ngizokwenza ivideo. Now I need to go. Ngathi ngiyahlanya Jehova. Ngeke